Today we're going to be building the DJM green foldable cart. Once you open your box, you should have one base, a front and a back panel, two side panels, some clips, plastic cover, handle, two axles, axle for the handle, some nuts and bolts, 4 wheels, and we're going to be using a 19mm spanner and a 19mm socket. Get the base and flip it over so your bolts are on a surface, and we'll get your side panels and we'll start assembling. For this we'll need the pins. We'll just go through the holes to make sure that they're secure. Making more of that. You can do both sides. The front and the back panels, this part will go to the front of the trolley where there's just one bolt hole. Get that lined up. And now we'll be able to fold up the sides to attach to give us a solid frame. Once we've flipped it over, we'll start assembling the axles. The back axle, you've got 2 washers, 2 bolts. Give those a tighten. And to assemble the front one, it's assembling all of it at the same time. So you can put it on first, and that's going to sit like that. Better off doing it up here so you can see. I'll get the bolts. These are the bolts that's already got the washer and the nut on. Bit fiddly. Once you've got that on there, you can put the nut and the washer on. On the front one, we can't over tighten it or else your axle won't move, so it won't give you the steering of your wheels. Just give it a tighten up. There you go, you've got your axle. And for the handle, got a little plastic sleeve that sits on the top. If you align the holes, it'll go through here. This is the tricky bit. And that's that section. Once your axles are on, the wheels. So you've got 4 washers left. You put your washers on first. Make sure the valve's to the outside. With your 4 little pins, just put these through the holes and bend the pin back. Once your pins are in, just go over all your nuts and bolts and give them a good tighten to make sure everything's secure. And that's it. DJM garden cart assembled.